How to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and tap on Help and Feedback at the bottom of the screen. As you do that, tap on the Search Help category and just search for Play Balance Transfer. So as you do that, you'll be able to see different options. So just scroll down and tap on the option of Contact Us at the bottom of the screen. So tap on Contact Us, and as you do that, here type in again as Google Play Balance and then tap on Next. As you do that, tap on Issue with Play Balance. So just tap on it, and as you do that, select which area do you need support for. So just select the area over here. So I'm going to select Play Balance and Gift Card. So tap on Next Step. Now as you tap on Next Step, just scroll down and tap on the option of Google Play Gift Cards and Google Play Balance. Now as you do that, you can just tap on Next Step again, and here you have two options, either to chat with Google or to have an email. I'm going to tap on Email. And as you tap on email, you just mention your first name, your last name, and your transaction ID, and select your issue over here. And then tap on submit, and Google will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.